Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am Raven Janelle, and in today's video I will be trying polygel nails for the first time. I'm gonna start by washing my hands thoroughly and scrubbing my nails, making sure to scrub under my nails to make sure that they're clean. Now I'm going to cut my nails and push my cuticles back so that I can have a clean base. As a disclaimer, I am not a nail artist, nor am I certified to do nails. However, I have watched a few videos on YouTube, so I just wanted to showcase myself experimenting with polygel and trying this for myself. This video is not meant to be used as a guide. This is just me showing myself experimenting and having fun and trying something new. I'm gonna use this kit that I bought from CVS to add tips to my nails, basically to make a foundation to lay the polygel. I tried initially using the tips that came with the polygel kit, but it didn't work out for me. So I figured this kit would help, and it definitely did. So I already measured out each tip for each finger, so now I'm just going to apply each one based on the instructions that came with the kit. So now I'm filing my nails into the shape that I want, and I chose to go with a square shape. So now I'm going to start applying the polygel with this kit that I got from SHEIN. I'll link in the description everything that I used in the video, from the kit that I got from CVS to the polygel kit I got from SHEIN. After doing my nails this very first time, I ended up seeing more videos, especially on TikTok, of people doing polygel sets, and I noticed that they used alcohol instead of like the slip, that stuff that I'm dipping the brush in to like form out the polygel. I felt like it was very oily and it made the polygel like way too liquidy, but I've seen some people on TikTok use alcohol instead of the slip that came with the kit, and I tried it another time and it actually worked a lot better than the slip that came with the kit. So I might make an updated video of me trying polygel nails, and I'll show myself using the alcohol so I can show you the comparison of how easier it was to lay the polygel with the alcohol. Per the directions of the polygel kit, I'm putting the base gel on first, and then I'm putting a small glob of polygel onto the nail, and then I'm using the brush and the slip in order to spread the gel out onto my nail. After watching a few videos, I was trying to use a similar motion that people use when they put on acrylic nails, which I do feel like helped, but I think I did use a little too much product, so it was slightly bulky, and I did try to file and drill them, but it didn't help as much. So just know a little goes a long way, and you don't need as much product as I'm using. So before I put on the top coat, I'm just going to file the nails down. Like I said, they looked kind of bulky, so I was trying to file them down and make them look a little more natural. It didn't help as much, but it did a little bit. So now that I have all the gel on the nails, I'm going to begin putting the top coat and curing it. So now I'm gonna start designing the nails. I wanted to go for a black French tip, so I'm just gonna freehand draw all the French tips on. This isn't a gel polish that I'm using, but I did, after I put the top coat on, I did decide to try and cure them, and it did help make them last a little longer. Alright y'all, so this was my first time trying polygel nails. Let me know what you think. Was it a fail? Was it a success? Let me know in the comments, and make sure you leave a like and subscribe.